Everyone, welcome back to Cocktails and Cribs. We're in Northwest Calgary in a community called Hidden Valley, and the house that we're at has a bar.
A real bar?
A real bar.
We finally got a bar to work with.
We're finally making a cocktail behind the bar.
I like this.
This is awesome. We're going to be making a very seductive cocktail today.
That's what I like to hear.
Yeah. We're going to be making the Widow's Kiss. It's got some really interesting, fun herbal ingredients. Our last video, we used yellow chartreuse, and I thought, Rob, let's make another one with yellow.
I was a big fan.
We also got some benedictine, some angostura bitters, and then for our base spirit, I don't actually have apple brandy, which is what it calls for, but apple whiskey is a form of apple brandy. It's just not maybe the ideal form for this drink, but it'll still work. So we're gonna go with it. All right, so let's build our cocktail. So we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of our apple whiskey or apple brandy. To that, we're gonna add 3/4 ounce of both our yellow chartreuse and our benedictine, a liqueur made from honey, made by some French monks.
Yeah, all the good ones are.
All the good ones are. Then we're gonna top that off with a couple of dashes of angostura bitters. That because this is a all liqueur drink, we're not gonna shake it, we're gonna stir it.
Whoop, whoop.
Okay, so we'll give this a good stir for 30 seconds. This is where the video really takes off. It's good audio in the background too. Alright, so I'm gonna serve this one up because it's a little seductive. Gonna double strain into our glass. And then for a garnish, we are going to serve it with 2
Oh yeah, I love the cherries.
cocktail cherries.
Here we are again.
Here we are again. You ever had the widow's kiss?
I have not.
Ever had a kiss from a widow?
From a widow. I'm always interested in these ones without any kind of citrus or balancing component. To balance a cocktail using only liqueurs like that, I think is very challenging. That one we did last time was very tasty and surprising.
Yeah, if you want to watch that video.
Wherever it is,
Wherever the link is.
you could click it and you
Click
could
on
watch
that,
it
you can
if
watch
you
it.
wanted to.
Yeah.
There's something interesting about a cocktail that's prepared this way.
Yeah.
That it's usually not quite what you'd expect. It's usually very aromatic. I find the ones we've made, you get a strong smell and then the flavor is not always exactly like the smell, and so you get all these interesting surprises.
Takes you on a bit of a journey.
It definitely does.
Like I'm smelling the apple already.
Yeah, you could really smell it as you were stirring it.
Yeah.
The apple does come through really strong.
Let's cheers.
Cheers.
Let's see what
Let's
it
give it a
tastes
try.
like.
Quit
Yeah.
talking about it and actually try it.
Wow.
Again, doesn't disappoint.
No, it's good.
It's like I was expecting, in that it's not what I was expecting. It's rich.
Yeah. This is a sipper.
Yeah, this
for
is
sure.
this is more like a dessert cocktail. It's a little bit syrupy, maybe even, and sweeter than I was expecting.
Yeah.
The cherry sets it off nicely too.
Yeah. Now the widow's kiss explicitly just sounds like we should have a rating attached to our
It's supposed to be a seductive cocktail, so maybe it should be explicit.
The widow's kiss specifically calls for 2 cherries as the garnish.
You are right, very specifically.
This is a very pleasant cocktail.
It is a good pick. Again, good pick.
Yeah.
You pick good ones.
I pick crappy ones.
Yeah.
It's all about the
Don't
crappy
watch our channel if you want bad cocktails.
That's right. Or bad houses. Welcome to 116 Hidden Circle. This house is fantastic and it has everything you need. Bedrooms, it's got 4. That's fantastic. Bathrooms, 3.5. Fully developed basement, over 2,200 square feet of living space, and the best part, the backyard. It's a massive pie lot. Check it out.
you're all I ever need. Gotta love the one you want. Alright, baby, you can't use me. Alright.
Thank you, Alex. Cheers.
Welcome.
Anytime.
One more time.